Hello YouTube, so I have an announcement to make. So you guys, exciting announcement. You know what happened to Kiwi? So Kiwi, I'll explain right now. So Kiwi, my sister was going to the bathroom, okay? And Kiwi flies whenever we go somewhere, he likes to follow us, in a different room. And my sister accidentally closed the door on TV. So yeah, so sad. But this time, no more mistakes, you guys. No more mistakes. The new bird will live for a very, very long life. So yeah, the longest life ever. It will live until I grow gray hair, It will live until until I grow gray. So yeah, no more mistakes, you guys. New rule, no dying. Okay, you guys, we already lost 2 birds. The same thing happened to Coco. We will be more careful, you guys. I hope California can hear me. California, hopefully you can hear me. So yeah, you guys. So also, you guys, next year, if we get my goal is to get past 1 year with the new bird. So yeah, it will be the family bird, by the way. And also tomorrow will be you guys, tomorrow we will get the new bird, so I will vlog it for you guys. Also 2023 is almost here. It's almost here, you guys. This year went quick, so fast. It went by so fast. You guys, what was your favorite memory? Mine was going to Las Vegas. We went on a lot of trips in 2022. This year we will go on more trips. So yeah, so stay tuned. Also, you guys, I will do the updates like I did with Kiwi. So yeah, but this time it won't even die. So yeah, the bird will live for a very long life. Say it with me. The bird will live for a very long life. So yeah. So you guys, I will also, you guys, so tomorrow I will vlog for the New Year's. I'll do a New Year's vlog. We will watch the ball drop, and also I will vlog when I get the bird. Also, I'll announce it to you guys when we get the bird. I'll introduce the new bird to you guys. So yeah, so stay tuned for the videos coming up. So yeah, so this will be a great year, you guys. I'm excited. New year, new me, you guys. New year, new me. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow, you guys. This is going to be a great year, you guys. Happy New Year, you guys. Bye, guys. Also, you guys, so this is a exciting day. New Year 2023 is coming. Yeah. What's your New Year's resolution? Also, comment down below your New Year's your favorite thing that happened this year. So yeah, and what do you want to do this year? And yeah, hopefully no COVID this year. We cannot even stand COVID anymore. Like, we are done with COVID. Also, you guys, I need to show you something. I'll flip the camera. No, actually, the snow has melted. This is only ice. There's no snow on the grass right there. So yeah, you guys. So we will get the new bird tomorrow. I will film it for you guys, a vlog getting the new bird, and also I will film the New Year's vlog tomorrow. So yeah, so you guys, I will see you tomorrow. Okay, you guys, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So yeah, you guys. So yeah, you guys. So I will see you later. Bye, guys.